Hello everyone, it is me, and today I tell you, I got fired just for this, and it's already there. I wanted to see what it was, and I think it was kind of cool that it was like a different color of fire, something like that, I don't know. This must be a horse that I was talking about. Wait a minute. I'm sorry, I've never seen him doing that before. There's another title. Oh yeah, she's my club and I said I was doing a video. I'm sorry, I'm reading it in my head because I'm too lazy to read out loud. Okay, that's really awkward. Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Me stuffies. Why are you following me? Like, if I was doing a video, okay? You're already in the video. Oh my god, I love her halflinger. Probably because I'm obsessed with halflingers. I'm trying to stay as close as possible, so that's why I'm trying not to run like too fast or anything. Oh my god, this soothing music makes me want to fall asleep, probably because I am really sleepy. Oh, I thought I was talking Spanish for a minute. That scared me. I was like, wait, what? Or like, Japanese, I don't know. I would say Japanese, but I don't even think there's Japanese in here. I could be wrong. I don't know. I'll never like investigate it or anything. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, I'm obsessed with this. Oh my god, yes. Oh my god, this is so cool. Stop. Do not tell me who you are. The amaze. Okay. I'm Yurgizern something. The amazing, the magician, I don't know this was magician, but whatever. I can't spell, I read, I can't do anything. I don't even know my ABCs. Oh my god! Not Brooke Street, but Brooke Ashwell. I haven't seen her in so long. Oh god. Oh my god, he has two different colors, like my friend, Cece. Except that side brown and that side's green. Oh my god, his wasn't dying. I'm sorry. I love purple. You'll probably already know by the color of my character's hair. But what is? I don't know if I'm supposed to not be in my first to do this. Or to be like in a certain position to do it or something. And I like off my horse to do it. I could be wrong. But I'm just until like I'm getting off my horse, I do this. Yep, I do. Oh, I'm so dummy. Ooh, that's so cool. Oh my god, I hate clowns. If that's a clown, I swear to the heavens above. Oh, you see fire in the background. Like, they're twins. They are friends. Let's hope that it's not a clown under there, because I absolutely hate clowns. As I already said. Because clowns scare me really badly. Honey, get your horse out of here. Oh my god, there's glitter in the background. I have to go all the way over there. Hold on. I know this around here somewhere. I don't like reading out loud. Don't, me. Oh, do you have to get off your horse to do this? Particularly, I don't even know. Oh, no, you don't. I guess the person preferred to. Okay, apparently I'm magic, apparently. Oh. Oh god, that's so weird. I was like, oh god. There's so much people here, and I'm glad I got on today and did this. Like, I'm glad I actually have a brain. Your voice sounds so weird. I have headphones in, so yeah. Trying to be a little quiet. But, like, not really. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my god, he's so cool. He's so cute. This is 119. Phew. I'm glad that was not a clown. Because I already said I hate clowns. My videos are really boring. Probably because I'm boring. Please something's not getting on my horse. Phew. Like, particularly I think my voice just makes people fall asleep. Like, I just think so. It's just my opinion about my voice. I don't talk this off, I just have to. Because I have headphones in. But that's okay. Oh shoot. Do I have to go, like, catch him or something? I don't know. All I know that my horse is net fast. I do. I was like, oh, I do. I'll be back when I, like, understand this completely. I'm not really understanding this one single bit. Like, where is my phone? Because my phone has this on here. Whoa, if I move my phone over musically, dang. Okay, so I found the new circus. It came at 3 a.m. when I was asleep, and I woke up at 4 o'clock from a nightmare. Or maybe like 5, I don't know. But it came out at 3 a.m. Okay, hold on, let me read about it. Yeah, I read about it. I'm gonna read this part because it's a long. This summertime on Jorvik, so the loading screen you'll see when entering the game. Oh, this talks about the loading screen. Oh. I'm sorry. I was reading about the loading screen. Okay, so I found something that would actually help me a little bit, just a tad. But I'm not gonna read it out loud because it's a lot. Like 3 whole paragraphs. Oh, yeah. I felt, oh my god, freaking Jalen, I was asleep. Oh wait, I wasn't. I just wasn't paying attention to my phone because my phone was in the other room. Anywho, I didn't read that at all, but oh well. What am I supposed to go get? I'm gonna go follow this girl. Oh. Okay. Oh, I was just gonna say, what does it say? Because it's going to my horse's bum. It says circus. But I will be back with a part 2 for this because this is getting really long. Taking really long, so yeah. Anywho, hope if anyone's even watching, hope you enjoyed this video, comment on the video, and comment on more. Bye!